Comfy, stylish, and no assembly drama. Does this sofa nail it? Let's see. First up is VANOMi's 121-inch modular sectional sofa. It's all about a classic and spacious left seat, offering a plush and roomy feel. Plus, the versatile modular system means you can easily configure it into an L shape, U shape, or even a cozy sleeper. Each seat can support up to 350 pounds, so it feels sturdy while also delivering top-notch comfort. Moving on to the second option, mikibama's 111.5-inch L-shaped couch set. At a glance, it feels similar to the first one, but there's a twist. It offers 8 color choices. That means you can go bright and vibrant or choose one of the darker, more sophisticated tones. They're surprisingly elegant, and the chenille fabric is not only soft, but also easy on the eyes. The modular design gives you loads of flexibility, letting you move each seat around however you want. Finally, we have Lokimo's 118-inch L-shaped modular sectional sofa. Compared to the other two, it stands out with a cleaner and more modern design. Think minimal lines, deep seats, and a lower profile that's perfect if you're after a sleek, contemporary look. It also arrives fully assembled. Just unpack it, fluff it up, and you're good to go. Plus, the corduroy upholstery feels warm and comfortable, adding a stylish touch. Which design will you be choosing for your home? Don't want to waste hours hunting for the best finds? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.